I need to be on that side and see what she looks like. She doesn't know what to make of it. Made Grandma jump.
It's gonna get you.
She's gonna attack that thing in a minute.
Don't take it. I don't want it broken.
Boy, she has never gotten that to...
What's the matter?
Grandma likes seeing you stressed out, Coop. I've never seen her like this before.
What's wrong? What's wrong, Cooper?
Coop, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. I cut
It's
it off.
okay. It's okay. Coop, it's okay.
It's okay. I cut it off.
Take the batteries out of that piece of shit.
Huh?
Well, you got her all worked up before bedtime, Mom. You haven't laughed like that in a long time, have you?
No.
Grandma? Woo. Grandma, I got a good laugh out of you this.
Oh, Cooper. Oh, God.
I'm just about done out there.
You are? Okay.
You didn't pee in your pants or anything, did you?
No. I got to run, the head turned around the different way now. Now, Cooper, I'm adjusting it. Well, heck.
Just start pushing buttons, Mom.
Oh, heck, got it turned.
It doesn't matter. It's fine like it is, Mom.
I think that's cute.
Yeah. Got Cooper all worked up.
Cooper, when she would get one bit closer, then she's afraid to get any closer.
Yeah, I didn't get that part on video. Yeah. I only got one. That just came later when she started barking.
Cooper, you're something else.
You could say that about Grandma too, you know.
I didn't know you would react like that.
Well, she's never seen anything like that. And especially when it is not consistent. It just starts and stops at random.
Uh-huh.
Now, she walks by there, she looks up. Now you got her freaked out. Who gives a hoot, right, Coop?
Well, okay, let's go in where we can go to bed after a while.
Okay, I got one more bag to get.